Hey everyone, this is Ashish here from the Traveler's Tale। आज है हम यहाँ पे क्योंकि हम हमारा जो ड्यूक है उसका हैंडलबार रेजर फिट करने वाले हैं। द रीज़न फॉर दिस अपग्रेड वुड बी बिकॉज अगर आप यहाँ पे बैठते हैं बाइक में यूजली तो ड्यूक का जो ये स्टैंड है थोड़ा एग्रेसिव है एंड इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग टू डू फॉर अ लॉन्ग राइड यहाँ पे दर्द हो सकता है और आपके रिस्ट में भी थोड़ा पेन हो सकता है विच आई हैव फेल्ट। तो स्पेसिफिक मॉडल के लिए अभी तक कोई हैंडलबार रेजर बना है नहीं। टू टेस्ट इट आउट वी हैव बॉट दिस हैंडलबार रेजर विच इज़ मेंट फॉर KTM 390 एडवेंचर। सो हमारे पास है ये कार्बन रेसिंग का हैंडलबार रेजर जो है 22 mm। इट्स नॉट इवन 1 इंच एज इट इज़ 22 mm। क्या होता है कि स्टॉक केबल जो बैठा हुआ है KTM Duke 390 का, I don't have to change it, but it is going to have a very significant impact and riding will be much more comfortable with less pain and less strain. Quality is really good. The build quality, as you can see over here, the finishing and everything is really nice in this one, and it comes also with the 4 bolts which is very high quality. So इस हैंडलबार रेजर को फिट करने के लिए आपको कोई स्पेसिफिक टूल की रिक्वायरमेंट तो है नहीं। जो एलन की आता है और जो स्क्रू ड्राइवर आता है आपको टूल बॉक्स के साथ, that is enough। and आप ये घर पे भी इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं or else you can go to the nearest garage and you can do that as well, but not needed। So this is how you can do it at home, and this is the toolkit inside. We have Allen key, screwdriver and maybe 1 or 2 wrenches. We'll just unscrew this one. This is a number plate and a GPS holder mount which I have installed separately. I'll be making a separate video for that one which you can see it later. Let's disconnect this and keep it somewhere safe. Comes out this one. So this is how you can disengage, and there's one more. Yes, that's all. So now what we have to do is we have to unscrew that with the Allen key, and then we'll take this display out. So I'm just disconnecting this. One quick tip would be to mark where the handle is, just putting a masking tape over here to know that this is where the handlebar needs to sit on the both side. If you wanna put through a marker, that's fine as well. There's a small dot which will be there actually on the handlebar where you can take that as a reference, but I just want to make sure that this is more accurate. This is the center line. By the way, you get a extra clutch along with that handlebar razor from Carbon Racing, but I don't need it. I'll just slightly pull them off, this whatever the cables we have, and it should be able to fit. Now we have to lift this. I have to be very careful. Okay, this is where we'll put the handlebar razor. See, it fits perfectly. If you can see over here, the other brand which I was using earlier, it used to have gaps and that was causing a little misalignment. I chose to go with Carbon Racing because even my brother's bike has a Carbon Racing handlebar razor and I really like that quality and their finishing. Lift this up and make sure to put it there. Yeah, this is where you have to be careful because you don't want to, stress the cables. There's also a dot like this. See, this dot is also there over here. You will not be able to see right now, but it is there. Okay, this is for your reference that this has to sit. ये यहाँ पे बैठना चाहिए, ये आपके रेफरेंस के लिए है। सिमिलर यहाँ पे डॉट्स है, वो डॉट ऊपर की तरफ जाता है स्टॉक सेटिंग्स में। तो ये मिड पॉइंट हो गया and we just now gonna screw them tight. That's all it is. We are just tightening the screw. We have aligned it. थोड़ा सा doubtful हो रहा था क्योंकि screw was not sitting properly. Now it is threading in. अंदर जा रहा है. अभी over tightening नहीं करेंगे because we have to do a fine tuning also, right? They could have given the screws black क्योंकि सब black है और screws थोड़ा silver हो गया. But that's fine. If it is working, it is working. हम लोग ने टाइट कर लिया है स्क्रूज और फिलहाल फाइन ट्यूनिंग कर रहे हैं, चेक कर रहे हैं हैंडल बार कैसा है. इट फील्स कंफर्टेबल, फील्स स्टडी, हैंडल शेक नहीं हो रहा है एंड इट इज़ ऑल टाइट राइट नाउ एंड इट शुड वर्क. लेट्स सी, लेट्स असेंबल. अभी इसको असेंबल करते हैं. हम लोग ने जैसे इसको निकाला है वैसे वील असेंबल इट बैक. चेक चेक 1 2 चेक. सो दोस्तों, ये हमारा हैंडल बार राइजर फिट करते करते हो गया है रात और अभी ऐसा है कि वी हैव टू यूज़ द अदर सोर्स ऑफ लाइट Now the stance is much better, as you can see. It is very ideal for even long rides and all. So if you like this video and found it useful, please do share, subscribe, comment, and please provide your suggestions also on the comment box. I'll see you in next vlog. Until then, take care. Signing off. Bye. त्यत्रो इंट्रोडक्शन दे लास्ट में तो रेकॉर्ड थी